Let's talk about that moment in the airport security line where your palms are sweaty and mind racing because of your packing choices. You might be thinking, did I remember to take out my water bottle? Is that souvenir snow globe going to cause an incident? And what about the peanut butter? Is that even allowed? Hi guys, I'm Cheryl. And even as a seasoned traveler, TSA rules can make anyone anxious. I know it makes me anxious every single time. The rules seem mysterious, but many times things we think are forbidden are actually allowed. We just don't know. TSA's rules are about safety, but they are often more flexible than we even realize. It's all about knowing what's allowed and how to pack those items. Too often we toss perfectly good items in the airport trash out of fear or confusion. Let's demystify those TSA head-scratchers so you can pack with confidence for your next trip. Imagine striding up to security, knowing your bag is packed like a pro. What a relief, right? No more peanut butter panic. So, today, we will uncover surprising items you can bring for comfort and fun. Let's turn travel jitters into travel triumphs. Here we go. Hope you are ready for the ride. Time to tackle the sticky subject of liquids and gels. Yes, the 3-1-1 rule, which are liquids, gels, creams, and paste, and all must be 3.4 ounces or less. And on top of that, all must fit in one quart-sized bag. But here's the twist. Peanut butter and hummus count as gels. I bet you didn't know that. Did you? Let me hear in the comments section. So you should only bring travel-sized containers in your carry-on luggage. If it can be spread, squeezed, or spilled, it's a liquid or gel for TSA. You cannot go around them with that. Want to bring more? Well, you would have to check it or try peanut butter powder. Here's a cool tip. If you freeze a liquid or gel solid, it can go through airport security. Think frozen gel packs for medications or baby food. But if it's slushy, it must meet the same 3.4-ounce rule. Always confirm or declare food items to the TSA officer for clarity. A little planning means you keep your favorite snacks. For cold items, make sure ice packs are rock solid, no thawing out at screening. Snacks make flying better, just pack smart. Know the rules and you will never have to say goodbye to your treats at TSA checkpoint. You will be able to enjoy your flight with your favorite snacks on board the plane. Crafters, rejoice because you are in for a treat. Knitting needles and crochet hooks, any size or material, are allowed in your carry-on bag. The TSA knows these aren't weapons, just tools for creativity. Use point protectors or keep them in a pouch for safety purposes. Small scissors with blades under 4 inches, tweezers, and nail clippers are also fine. Larger scissors? Put those in your checked bag. Pack your project and enjoy crafting in the sky. Just remember the 4-inch rule for scissors and keep your tools organized for easy screening. Traveling without electronics? Unthinkable, right? But batteries need special attention. Devices with installed lithium batteries, phones, laptops, can go in carry-on or checked bags. Spare lithium batteries? Carry-on only, never checked. Protect terminals with tape or original packaging. Remove laptops and tablets for screening unless told otherwise. Organize cables and devices in clear pouches for quick checks. Newer scanners may let you keep electronics in your bag. Watch for signs. A little prep keeps your gadgets safe and your trip smooth. Be a smart traveler, power up and fly on. Here's a surprise. Forks and spoons are allowed in your carry-on. They are perfect for picnics. Or if you prefer your own utensils, pack reusable forks and spoons for convenience and eco-friendliness. Knives, though, are mostly a no-go, except for plastic or round-bladed butter knives. Sharp or pointy knives must go in checked luggage. Chefs, check your knife roll. Spoons and forks? Yes. Sharp knives? No. This rule balances convenience and safety. Pack your cutlery smartly and enjoy meals on the go. Happy dining wherever you land. Traveling with medical needs? Medical equipment often scares travelers into leaving important things behind. And some of my subscribers have asked me to touch on this topic, especially those who have to travel using various machines for health purposes. TSA is more accommodating than you might think. CPAP machines, EpiPens, insulin, nebulizers, and portable oxygen are all allowed. In fact, they don't count against your carry-on bag limit either. These are considered assistive devices, and the TSA will inspect them with care and gloves. Some passengers even bring their own syringes or IV bags with medical documentation, and it's totally allowed. So don't let medical needs stop you from flying. I have a video I did about flying with medication. Please check that out too. Liquid medications are exempt from the 3.4-ounce rule. Bring what you need, just declare it. Keep meds in original containers for smoother screening. TSA Cares Helpline can arrange support if you need assistance. Carry a doctor's note or prescription, especially for international travel. Communicate with officers. They're trained to help. Know your rights and prepare in advance. Focus on your trip, not your medical gear. Travel is for everyone. These rules help make it possible. Want to keep your beauty routine intact? Go solid. Solid shampoo, conditioner, lotion, and perfume don't count as liquids. Pack as much as you want. Stick deodorant is fine in any size. Gels and sprays must be 3.4 ounces or less in carry-on. Powders are unrestricted, but creams and liquids go in your quart bag. Multitasking your products saves space. Larger liquids? Check them. With these smart swaps, you'll look and feel great on arrival. Be sure to travel fresh and travel smart. Shoes, essential, but a TSA hassle. Most travelers must remove shoes for screening, so wear easy slip-ons. TSA PreCheck lets you keep shoes on, but otherwise plan for quick removal. Pack shoes with socks or chargers inside to save space and keep shape. Use bags to separate shoes from clothes. Limit yourself to 3 pairs, walking, dressy, and activity-specific. Metal or thick-soled shoes may get extra screening. Don't worry, it's routine. Smart shoe choices mean faster security and more bag space. More room for souvenirs on the way home. Book lovers. You can rejoice because now you are allowed to bring as many books as you want. Just make sure to watch your bag's weight. E-readers save space, but paper books are always welcome. TSA may fan through a stack, but it's a quick check. For parents, formula, breast milk, and juice for infants are exempt from liquid limits. Bring what you need, but just declare it at airport security. These items will be screened separately, sometimes tested, but it's safe. Gel teethers and baby food are also allowed. These allowances make flying with kids easier. Pack smart for a smoother journey. You will enjoy happy reading and happy parenting in the skies. Traveling with cremated remains? You can carry them on, and it's recommended. Use a container that can be X-rayed. Wood, plastic, or non-lead ceramic are best. Metal or lead-lined urns may not pass security. TSA won't open urns, so choose a scannable container. Funeral homes can help with travel-friendly urns. Bring documentation, especially for international travel. TSA Cares can assist if you have concerns. Knowing the rules ensures a respectful, smooth journey. There you have it. Surprising items you can pack, from peanut butter to knitting needles and medical supplies. TSA's focus is safety, not making travel hard. Visit the TSA website and use the "What Can I Bring" tool before packing. Check your airline's policies too. Packing smart means less stress and no last-minute repacking. Imagine breezing through airport security with no sad goodbyes to your favorite items. Try packing a surprise item next trip. Maybe a spork or a solid shampoo bar. Little victories make travel better. Here are my final thoughts. Travel doesn't have to be confusing. TSA rules may seem wild, but once you know them, you can pack smarter, lighter, and with zero stress. So here's your challenge. Test one of these items on your next trip. You might be shocked at what isn't a big deal. If this video saved you from tossing something valuable or helped you breathe easier about flying, have a special gift for you. Grab my free ebook, Top 5 Travel Scenarios and How to Solve Them. It's packed with real-world fixes to the worst airport and airline headaches. Or level up with my digital travel bundle. You'll find both linked below in the description. The digital travel bundle is jam-packed with so many solutions for a seamless travel experience. It is full of insider tips, secrets, bonus checklists, and expert strategies to turn you into the smoothest traveler at any terminal. In the bundle, you will receive a 250-page ebook with 55 travel scenarios and their solutions. You will also get an audiobook with expert travel planning tips and a guide to having the best time abroad. Included in the bundle are 5 video guides about the new travel rules for France, Dubai, Thailand, UK, and Japan. With the guide, you also get a 7-day itinerary for each of these 5 countries. Grab the free download and the digital travel bundle if you want to have an amazing travel experience on your next trip. From airport security to your travel destination, these 2 digital downloads will be the best thing you have gotten for yourself. They will be like your own personal assistants. I hope you found value from this video. Thanks for staying until the end. Oh, before you go, please check out my YouTube shopping area below the video. You might just find a ton of travel resources you can't do without on your next trip. That's it for now. This is Cheryl signing off. Hit that like button if this helped you, and I'll see you in the next video.